见过，能说两句话 ？test 1、2、3。
啊，你好，你好，听得见吗？没有声音吗？还是我这边没开？开了吗？开了呢。
1点我给你发过去了。
Hello， 能听见吗 ？OK， 好嘞。手机你帮我拿一下吧。什么兜里头揣的东西不好看。我是半身还是全身？OK。可以了。Hello everyone, welcome to JIAYU company. On this show, I will show a lot of amazing products to you. Let's first start from this one. This is a transparent LED product with the pitch 3.9 inch, 3.9 millimeter. And this product you can installation at the meeting rooms or some buildings with the outside glasses. So for end users, they can sit inside the building and look outside whatever the building is. So for this product is using for the meeting rooms or outside the buildings, give a customer very good image for this company. And this is a very amazing product. We have different pitches, M3, M6, or different sizes. And we can make it for this height, 1 meter, 1.2 meter, 1.5 meter, and double it. Because the gyro part is on the bottom. And we can make it double using the gyro part on top. So when double it, we can make it 2 meter, 2.4 meters, and 3 meters. But also, when your application needs a smaller height, we can also cut it from the top. So it's very flexible for the customers. This is a very amazing product. And this, maybe you can have a video here. It's very thin from the side and very easy to be installed for the customer. So it's very thin film, just attached on the glass. So this is the first product. We will show you a lot of amazing products in our this live show. So here is the second one. You see it's very bright. This is the stadium LED product. And this one we are using mainly for the stadium, like the football game played or whatever the stadium is. And it's very good for customers to resist this kind of heating and very friendly to the players because the surface is soft. So when you hit here, you will not be hurt. So this is a product like this. And this piece is 10 millimeter, but we can also make it a different pitch, whatever the customer wants. And then let's go to this one. This is an indoor LED D2 product. The pitch is 2.604 millimeter, and this corner display with the GOB design. GOB design is better because if customer carelessly has a scratch for this display, if it's not GOB, it's a standard, it's a standalone LED chipset, then it will be hurt. Then the LED will be removed. But this one, if you have some careless operation, you don't need to worry. You can still hear the pictures. So this is a very good design for the rental market especially. And you see from the corner, we will make it like a 4 directions here. And here this is the outdoor PC product with the IP65 design, and the pitch is 3.9 millimeter. I think a little bit noise. But from this one, we can build for the events or whatever customer wants. We can make it outside for all of the environments or all of the customer applications. So you can see from this product, it's also very bright because it's all about using, and also for customers, they can design this product also with curved or whatever customer want for this LED product. We can go to the next one. This one I really want to highly recommend to you to see this one. This is a COB design product with a very light surface, very smooth surface of this one. And the good thing is there is also anti-reflection function for this display. If you have this appearance that without this AR function, when you see this product, you will have a shadow because the reflection of the visitors will appear on this display if the brightness is not so high. But for this one, we will have no this problem. That means in dark picture, you cannot see yourself because of the anti-reflection functions. And this product, you see, its size is small, but the resolution is very high. This one resolution is 1280 by 720. So this is a very good design with the pitch 0.9. So I can see for LED industry, this is one of the best design in this whole industry. So this is very good design. I like it very much. And then let's come to this professional projector. Because of the distance, I must change the lens from the normal lens to a fisheye lens. And you can see from this big professional projector, the whole image of the 4K resolution pictures quality is very good. And this one we can make it combine with several projectors like the museum application or cinema application, whatever. So we can make it with a special software to do the combination. This is very professional. And our market share is very high in China. So all of the new applications using this professional projector, I think our brand market share is around 70%. So this is a very competitive product. Our target is to fight with famous brand like B company or P company. And this one is the transparent OLED product. This is a 30-inch. And you can see its transparency from outside to inside. with touch function as well. So this is a 30-inch. We also have different sizes like 55-inch, 49-inch, 13.3-inch, etc. So this kind of transparent OLED product is also very useful for customer to build in their device to let the customer from outside to see the product inside of this screen and also see the description from these displays. So this is a very good and common design for the let's see for those kind of luxury brand, for example. So they can use this solution. And then let's come to this area. This area is for the naked eye 3D display solution. But unfortunately, because of the camera, it's only one camera, we cannot see the 3D performance so good. But every visitors come to my booth, when they see this performance, everyone is saying, oh, it's amazing. Not everyone is saying the same thing. And I can see, because I have been in this industry for more than 20 years, I can also see to all of the visitors to you that this performance is really in worldwide the best performance for 3D, naked eye 3D displays. So this is definitely the best solution. You can see we have cameras, and these cameras is tracing your eye position and the tuning from the mainboard with different contents to your left eye and right eye. And then you can see the real 3D performance. So this is very good design. And here we also have two small devices. Actually, they are using the same module. And this one is, we use two cameras to tracing your eyes as well. So these two camera tracing the position of the clients, and then same series to output the display performance. Unfortunately, it cannot be taken by video. So here is the specification for this 12.1-inch naked eye 3D module. So we have resolution, those kind of parameters here. Yeah. Then let's come to the next. This one is digital signage, bar type digital signage. I marked here our brand. So from this year, ISE, we first announced to the market, we will have our own brand. This is the brand logo. This brand name is JIAYU. And this JIAYU brand, although we are a young company, but we are thinking ourselves not in really small scale. So we are ambitious in the industry, in this market. So we are a new brand, but we are also new power, because we have a lot of solutions for our customer to drive this display industry. So you can see from here, for LED, LCD, open cell module set, project installation, maintenance and services, everything we can do locally in Europe. So we can solve almost all of the problem for our customers. And then let's come to the next product. This is also amazing product. This is LCD e-paper product. And this e-paper product showing to our customer really good performance, because it's very colorful, and there's no power consumption for this one, and the imaging change is very fast, and also we can use in the different customer different environments, because the operating temperature range for this one is -20 to +60 degree. And also we are developing the next generation, which the operating temperature range will be -35 to +85 degree. So this product solved a very big painful point for our customers, especially for the digital signage market, because so far there's almost no solution for this low power consumption displays, because all of the displays like this one, we need a very high power consumption because the brightness is very high. This one is 4,000 nits. And to drive this display with 4,000 nits, the backlight consumes so much power. We have a data in this market. Normally for the advertisement market, every display, every year consume the power cost is almost, let's see, at least 50% of the cost of the display itself. So in this case, every players in this industry, they have a pinpoint, because this one, they maybe 2 years later, only the power consume cost, they can buy a new one. So this is a very high cost for the whole industry. But based on this one, we solve this. This one, only when the imaging change, we have a very small power consumed. So this big size, like a 31.5 inch, we use a very small coin battery to drive it. So you see that imaging change is very fast. And we can make this one according to the customer requirement, from small size like 1 inch up to 110 inch is up to customer requirement. And because of low power consumption, this is very good for the advertising market. And of course, this is also new technology. We are expecting this technology will booming up the whole market for the digital signage applications. So I'm thinking we will see really a lot of new demand for this one, and we already saw from the customer requirements for this product. Everyone is interested for this one because it's really amazing. Compared with the existing technology, which was e-ink, the colors performance, the response time, I mean the image changing speed, and the operating temperature range, everything, I think we had very high performance and very high future, very high potential future for this technology. We think this is definitely the next generation for low power consumption solutions in the display industry. And then let's see the next one. We call this outdoor signage display solution. This one is a sample for 55 inch with 4,000 nits brightness. And you see the brightness is very high. Maybe from the video, we can only see the screen, but everything outside is disappear. But doesn't matter. So this one, we can make it from smaller size to big size up to the customer requirement, because it's a normal standard LCD product. But inside this display, I'm trying to show to my customer, we have a very big database. Please ignore the blank point, because this system is a little bit old and this Excel file is very big. So you can see from here, just give it a little second. So from smaller size, 0.39 inch, up to 110 inch. Let's see. We have already 1,204 models. So it's a very big database. This one is very useful for our customers, because whenever a customer wants a display solution, he can just search from this table for the size, for the model, for the resolution, for the shipping mode, display mode, interfere, interface, operating temperature range, brightness, color gamut, lifetime, contrast ratio, number of colors, lifetime, wave angle, dimensions, and the status of the stage. So it's very easy for customer to search from this table whatever they want for a display solution. And this is very useful for and very easy for customer to find a suitable product from this table. And this table really spend us a lot of time. You see, everything we key in this big Excel file, and we key in everything according to the model's specification. So first we need to read all of the specifications, and we key in everything with the key parameters here. So it's a very big job for us, but also we are trying to enlarge this file because we will have more resources for these display solutions. And also you will see the file will getting bigger and bigger. And in the future, by my assumption, I think should be around 3,000 models for this Excel file. But this is very useful for our customer. Everyone like it. Okay, let's go to the next one. And this one is also outdoor display. We saw contents, which was the last time saw in electronica. Oh no, this is a set of chance. So this one is 2,500 nits product for 32-inch. We can also use it like a portrait, and so it's up to customer requirement. But this kind of outdoor displays, we have plenty of solutions sold in that big Excel file, but you can choose whatever you want. I just showed two typical samples here. And then here is a bar type display. This is a 29-inch. We can also make it like a landscape also. And this one, I think, is very useful for some, for example, kiosk or some gas stations. They can build up this one in their equipment or to show whatever they want to show here. We also have a content management system to control the contents for our customer. That one I will also explain a little bit in the following shows. And then let's come to here. Let's first come to this cabinet. I saw some materials. This is especially for the industry customers. They can using this special glue to do the optical lamination, optical bonding. And we have factory solutions for lamination. So our customer, if they want to do the optical bonding, we can provide the total solution, including material, including the services for the factory to design the product for our customers, and also for the whatever customer want. So I just showed two samples here. That is automotive projects. This one is for, I guess, is for Volkswagen, and this one is for some, I think it's for Chile, I guess. Because we have NDA, so it's just we don't need to clearly indicate who is it. But this is for automotive. From this product, you can see that there is no almost invisible for the display. So we call this one body black technology. And the performance for this optical bonding is also very good. And this glue I showed here, they have two kinds of glues for the optical bonding material. One is UV curved glue, another one is heating curved glue. I just showed some typical samples here for this material. And then here, maybe you need to have a show for the imaging change. So here I saw some e-paper solution also. There's no power consumption for this device as well. My colleague Uni will have to show how to change the image with the mobile phones. It's very fast as well. Yeah. You see the image is like this. And then let's change it. It's changing. Okay, well done. So this is the wireless control system for this badge. So actually, for some companies, I think this one is also very useful. Maybe it's not mandatory for the employees because compared with the paper badge, is still very expensive. But I think for the visitors, because if the company have a visitor, and the visitor also need this kind of badge, so they can change this image according to the visitor's situation. For example, we can show the visitor's picture. Of course, the resolution for this picture is not so high, but we can at least show the name of the company for this visitor, and this visitor have a, let's say, unique badge to this company. And then I think it is very good for the visitor that they have a unique one. When I visit this company, they have this one in the very good design. So I think some, especially big companies, they need this solution. We see some event applications, we can also use it. I think we have very good potential for this one. Okay, let's come to here. And here is a big table. We saw some equipment for the rental industry. So this is a control center, the video control center. You see our device. Compared with our competitors, the device is not so big, but the function, they have all of the functions which our customer need. But of course, this is, let's see, a standard one. We also have more professional solutions for the control center. But I think according to our experience, this kind of equipment is already enough for most of the applications. And here's the video control center. Here's the we see it's equipment to make sure that we have safety using for the display solution. We call it Bogart safety solution because especially for some events, to avoid those kind of unexpected situation. For example, the power stopped supply or the unexpected accident, let's say in this way. Then maybe one of the signal was cut, but for customer, for the whole event visitors, if they see a black screen, a blackout, that is nightmare. So we must avoid this kind of things as much as possible. So we have this kind of design to make sure we have two channels input for the same screen. When one channel was cut, the other one can still drive it. So it's a kind of safety design for this kind of event applications. So we have plenty of equipment here. So you can see all of the screens here we sold solved by this server. All of the displays here. And then let's come to here. This is a special description for our CMS system. So our CMS system is designed based on the SaaS platform. So for our customers, they can easily use this system to show whatever they want to show for their terminals. So different display terminals, they will have this system control, and which is very friendly, very easily for them to manage this one. Because our design point for this CMS system is we're using a very customer-friendly portal to control this product, to control the terminals. We can easily edit the pictures or the videos according to the displays. So whatever the resolution for these terminals, we can manage, and whatever customer want to show, either pictures or videos, with very easily operating from the server side. So this is the good design. And also for customer, we have flexible design for customer, because customer, maybe they have those kind of displays, like 200 pieces, they can control, and using using the unique portal to control the displays which they manage. But the others, different customer, they can manage different system. So this system, we distribute locally in Europe. So compare with some solution from China, because of they don't have local language, they don't have the local experience to disband locally in Europe, then our solution is far better. And because of the customer, almost everyone, especially the commercial customers, they need this kind of solution. So our design can help customer with very, let's say, fast time response, in-time service. So for our customers, we can manage this one in a good way. Yeah. We are expecting we will enlarge our business based on this software as well. So, but this is also our first time to manage this kind of system integration solutions. So I think we will have very bright future based on this software hardware combination. And then let's come to here. Here we have 86-inch bar type display, which was amazing also for the advertising or digital signage market. So this one we designed is very light compared with the previous L company's product, and also we make the brightness 700 nits or 500 nits we can manage. And here you can also see our slogan. So we are your one-stop display solution provider. Means we can provide all kinds of display technology products, and also the local installation, maintenance, services, everything we can do here locally. Actually, to let's say a little bit further about our slogan, because we see for the middle scale or small scale customers, they have some painful point, because in this industry, they have a lot of suppliers, even the same 32-inch. I think at least maybe 200 companies, they can produce this kind of product. But for those small scale or middle scale customers, when they do sourcing for this product, they will have some painful point, because they have not enough energy to check which suppliers have this solution, or which suppliers have the reliable solution with good qualities, with good services, with good design. But because if they want to do the audit or resource tracking for those 200 companies or 200 suppliers. They don't need to do anything else. They can't do anything else. It's already consumed all of the energy of the purchaser. What we can do for them is we are organizing really the best manufacturers in China. And these manufacturers in different segments, in different area, in different niche market, they are the top guys. For example, we are co-working with a company who is mainly focusing on the railway applications. So they are China #1 railway application display solution provider. And we are co-working with them. So their product already proved in China market because they have so many projects in different cities in China for the railway or subway applications. And for our customer, if they want to find this product, it's hard for them to find this unique company or unique manufacturer because they don't have this sort of resources. But based on my experience for more than 20 years experience for the display industry, I can find this kind of companies. You can see from the big table, we have more than 500 models of the display, but most kind of display not coming from only one company. We are co-working with, I think so far around 10 companies, and everyone in their area, in their segment, they are the top guys. Top guy means they have very good design, they have very high quality, they are very reliable for the services, for the production. So this is the good thing for me to develop the market for those partners because they are strong in China already, but they are not strong in Europe. So this is my strong point. That's why I think for my customer locally in Europe, we can provide the really best solution with very fast response, with local communication, local language communication as well. So we can do those sort of things. I'm thinking we will have very bright future for this whole industry. And again, we are your one-stop display solution provider. I hope we can have more and more opportunities to co-work, and we will prove you that we are your reliable supplier, we are your reliable solution provider, and let's see. I'm looking forward for your visit or inquiries. You can also visit us by website. Our website is jiayu.eu. Thanks very much. Okay. 怎么样？